If 20 cm cube of distilled water is poured into 200 cm cube of a solution whose initial concentration is 0.1 mole per dm cube, calculate the new concentration. This question is based on the principle of dilution. In the principle of dilution, whenever you add distilled water to a solution, 1, the concentration must decrease. 2, the volume must increase. So, the initial volume of this solution is 200 cm cube and the initial concentration is 0.1 mole per dm cube. And now, the condition of this solution is altered when a new volume, 20 cm cube of water, is added to this initial volume, meaning that we are going to get a new volume, which is the initial volume, 200, plus the new volume introduced to it. And now, the final volume will become 220 cm cube. This means that this concentration is going to change. It must decrease. And the new concentration is given as C2. And we don't know that. In the principle of dilution, regardless of increase or decrease in concentration, the amount in mole remains unchanged. The amount in the first instance, when distilled water has not been added, is the same thing as the amount in the second instance, because the substance did not disappear. It is only water that was added. You recall that number of moles equals to concentration times volume, which means number of moles in the first instance is C1V1, and the number of moles in second instance is C2V2. To get C2 is at the right hand side. You bring everything to the left. C2V2 equals this one, C1V1. V2 will give us C1V1 divided by V2. C1 is the first concentration, and that is 0.1. V1, first volume, 200 cm cube. And V2 is the new volume, 200 plus 20, that is 220. Recall that 20 cm cube of distilled water was added to the system. 0 up here, we cancel 0 down here. 0.1 times 20 is 2. Then we divide 2 by 22. 2 we divide to 1, divide 22, 11. And 1 over 11 is 0.09. Therefore, the new concentration, C2, is 0.09 mole per dm cube. If you found this video useful, click on the plus sign, give us a follow on TikTok, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.